What's good, you guys? Welcome to another weekly outlook video. I hope you guys are enjoying these weekly outlooks. Sincere apologies for being late this particular time. I was out of station. However, let's quickly take a look at what we can expect this particular week on some important pairs like gold. We have Euro USD, DXY, GBP USD, US oil, OD USD, and USD CAD. Before that, also make sure that you have followed me on Twitter at YASSHH7. That's my Twitter ID. I try to provide some updates, my outlooks based on swing and everything. And this is my public Telegram channel. Feel free to join this. I will mention the link in the description below. And yeah, I try to share my overall daily view on what do I expect from gold and maybe some other currency as well. So without wasting any further time, let's quickly dive into this. And what do we start with first? I think gold. So on gold, now what does it look like? We currently have tested this particular demand area on a weekly time frame, and we have given a good reaction, right? We have shown nice rejection from this particular level. Let's quickly dive into a smaller time frame, try to refine what we have marked on weekly time frame. So here we have a smaller demand area from daily time frame, which has a very healthy reaction, right? After this reaction, today as of 20th February, we have gone we have since US markets are closed, so it's a very small range. However, I had shared my bearish view today, and we pretty much respected that. I expected that gold, unless and until 1847 is protected, gold will be bearish today, and that is pretty much what happened. So yeah, overall what I'm expecting is we have some liquidity left below. If you observe somewhere here, we have left purposely these set of equal lows behind, right? So it's a point of liquidity which will drive prices into its direction. So according to me, this is surely not a bottom. From a swing point of view, 1760 is on the cards. I can clearly see that, because if we break this particular level, so I don't think so there's any other demand which is as strong to hold prices, right? So it's a very high probability that if we break this, then the next daily or weekly stop could be around 1760. Yeah, around this particular demand area on a weekly time frame. So yeah, this might take few weeks to play, few days, and maybe even a few weeks to play out. But in my opinion, this is clearly not a bottom on gold. I am very certain that we might go sideways, we might see a smaller pullback, but we are surely in the long term going to continue drop below. So okay, let's take a quick look on some other pairs. So let's take a quick look on Euro USD. So on for let's go from a weekly time frame. So we had marked this particular daily order block on a, yeah, in the previous videos, and we had gotten a beautiful reaction followed by break of market structure. And right now what I see is we are compressing in this particular demand area. All right, so technically demands or supports, good supports job is to push prices immediately higher, just the way it did over here. But this is not enough. It is not break, it is not, it hasn't made any higher low yet. Okay, so this directly tells me one thing, that this push is weak, and we even if we go up, we will most likely continue to drop below. And we have a very significant untested daily demand area at this particular level at 1.04000 odd levels. Okay, so overall, gold and Euro USD pretty much in line. I'm bearish. Let's take a quick look on GBP USD. So GBP USD picture perfect, still in line. We had this supply area, we got a reaction, we got a pullback and a continuation. So weekly looks fine, and we have rejected big time on a weekly time frame, and again broken a minor structure over here. So now again, if at all we pull back short from this particular zone, let's refine this before that. Yeah, maybe this could be a temporary halt in the market. It's a good demand area. Even this, right? And of course, there's multiple demand areas below that. But right now, these are, I think, my point of interest. So yeah, on a smaller time frame, I think our supply area could be something like this. Yeah, if I go on a even smaller time frame, maybe I'll get something much more cleaner. Yeah, approximately these levels. So we can even get a shot from here, but ideally just try to wait for prices to start rejecting that particular price level. Okay, so let's take a quick look now on AUDUSD. AUDUSD, let me delete this. Yeah, AUDUSD currently we have we are reversing from a very significant demand area, and this is a very good reaction, right? We have almost made equal highs over here and continued to have momentum in the markets, right? However, on a daily time frame we have broken structure. Yes, we have turned bearish on a daily time frame, and right now this price action is still not enough for prices to continue above. If we want to turn bullish on a higher time frame, on a daily or a weekly, I would highly suggest to wait for a break above this level, this particular level, the high of this 14th of February. And yeah, apart from that, I think what you can do is simple. Just wait for prices to this looks bullish, to be honest. We can continue higher, see a good pullback, and maybe if we fail to break this, then it's a very high probability we will continue to drop below. Now where, that's a very important question, and I think this is a very obvious spot where we can drop. Yeah, so far this looks a very good area, which is 0.67800 approximate levels. Let's take a look on the other pairs. uh USD CAD on a weekly time frame, to be honest, looks very dirty. We do not have a very clean price action, so it's very difficult to judge where we are heading. So in previous videos I had mentioned that we will most likely break below this, but that did not play out. Instead, we went above, took previous supplies liquidity, and now we are retracing back down. So I think if let's take a look at a smaller time frame, yeah, I think it would be a very good opportunity to look for long positions from this particular demand area and target a good supply area somewhere around this. So this is a very beautiful trade. I think you guys should set alerts over here, right? And take this particular trade because this looks very promising in my eyes. We have a higher low, we have started a higher low order. So this actually looks very good to me. We can take this particular trade, right? Now finally we have US oil. So on US oil, I think I had mentioned that unless this particular levels 82.56 some approx levels are protected, you should ideally look for shorts, and that is what is happening. Currently we have again broken structure on a smaller time frame. Is that right? Yes. So on a 4 hour, we have broken the structure. This is again a mere pullback, and you can short from Okay, we have already tapped here, I suppose. Yeah, you can tap. You could have gotten a short opportunity here. Let's go on a small time frame. Yeah, we have again broken structure, so you could again most likely short from this region, something like this for instance, either this or you can keep a safer stop loss, something like this, right? And target again the bottom on a 4 hour time frame. If I were to go, please note that we also have liquidity above. If we breach this, then most likely we'll head higher until this particular region. And yeah, the targets could be simple. I suppose approximately this particular demand area looks good to me for targets. We have equal lows, sort of. Yeah, no, stop hunt. Okay. Yeah, so I wouldn't ideally like to target anything below that as of now. Ideally, it's better to wait to confirm. So this it's still a good trade opportunity in my eyes. Overall, if I go on a weekly time frame, what's happening is a very good demand area. Price struggling very hard to um, continue bullish. It continues bullish momentum. So in my eyes, this is weak. You can play intraday. You have a range of, this is your low and I suppose this is your high. So anything around let's say 74 to 71.5 range you buy, and any price level around 79.2 to 82 odd levels you sell. And it's a very high probability you will end up in profits because we are moving right inside this range. So if you buy, keep buying and selling right inside the range at discounted price level and sell at premium price levels, so it's highly likely that you will end up making profits. So yeah, I guess this is it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Let me know what you think of these videos. They're helping you or not. Comment down below if you have any pair that you want me to analyze for you. And yes, we'll meet again in the next video. Take care. I hope this you found this video helpful.